You're so luminous and vibrant. I'm always in bloom for you. Always in bloom. Always in bloom for you.
Good morning. Let's have a day of fun today. I want to take you up to the hills and the countryside of the Algarve. We're only going to go about 5 miles north up near the hills. I want to show you where I grew up until I was about 7, 8, and just various other cool spots that I think you may enjoy. Probably won't see them ever again. Anyway, come along with me.
Although it hurts me to be with you, I'm always in bloom, always in bloom for
São Miguel in the Algarve region near a town called Moncarapaccio. This is probably the best vantage point in all of the Algarve for the coastline. I'm up here on top of a pretty precarious area, but this is where the shot is, so this is where I am. Take a look. It's one of the most beautiful places in the world, guys. As an airline pilot, I've been a lot of places, and I'll tell you, every time I come to Portugal, no matter what, when I was a kid or when I was, a teenager, in my 20s, 30s, 40s, etc., I always come here. This area, this spot right here, just to me says it all. You can see how many more houses are built each year. This very beautiful area here. It's this real estate here between this let's call it this mountain, this hill, and the ocean is the cream. An old-fashioned well with functioning pump. I cannot emphasize enough how much I used to play on these as a child. I mean, I must have been a little crazy. Every day I just sit here and pump water. Not at this one. The one that existed back in the day doesn't exist anymore. In fact, this is the last one that I know of from the region that's actually functioning. You guys want to see how it works? I think I can remember. Let's go check it out. back in the day, this is how people used to get their water. And some people still do. I find it amazing. It tastes great. A lot of people don't trust it anymore, but I'm not one of those. I think it tastes great. People have been drinking from this well for probably, I don't know, 500 years or more. So if it's good enough for them, it's good enough for me. But I wanted to show you. I want to show you something. My first memories of life were right here. This building right here. This is where I grew up till I was about 7, 8 years old. We left to go to the US and it became a dentist's office. Up until last year, it was a dentist's office. This humble abode right here in this small village. This is pretty cool standing here. The memories I have are in hot summer nights. We'd go up to the terrace there, and my dad and mom would put a mattress up there, and we'd go up there when it was hot. And I remember those starry skies, just laying there, a little kid between my brother and my mother or my father, and just looking up, and was happy as a clam. Nothing was missing. I had everything I needed right there. Just an amazing feeling being here. Anyway, just wanted to put this officially on a video somewhere for later in life. One of the things that Olhão is famous for, in this region in general, is salt. Sea salt. Some of the best in Europe and probably the best in Portugal. This is a mountain of salt. And what you see over there, these little squares right there, are little salt sort of factory squares. I'm not sure what they're called, like the salt flats. They harvest the salt, the water comes in from the sea, it's trapped in there, and it evaporates slowly and it leaves a little crust at the bottom. And then they come and harvest it, and this is what it looks like. This massive mountain. These are called prickly pear, and as you can see, the figs on them, they make little figs. They're pretty sweet, but obviously you got to be careful. Those thorns are no joke. I saw this so many times in Arizona. Didn't really see any figs on them, but here you see them constantly. They're pretty good, very sweet.
Birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. You and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it.